Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we share motivational content to help you achieve success in all areas of your life. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to navigate career transitions successfully. Whether you're starting a new job, changing careers, or seeking a promotion, transitions can be challenging. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve success and thrive in your new role. Part 1. Understanding your motivations. Before you make any career transition, it's important to understand your motivations. What do you hope to achieve in your new role? What are your long-term career goals? By answering these questions, you can ensure that your transition aligns with your values and aspirations. Part 2. Networking and building relationships. Networking is crucial when it comes to navigating career transitions. Building relationships with colleagues, mentors, and industry professionals can help you stay informed about job opportunities, gain valuable insights into your field, and connect with potential employers. It's important to be proactive and build relationships before you need them. Part 3. Building your skills. As you transition to a new role, you may need to develop new skills or improve your existing ones. This may involve taking courses, attending workshops, or seeking mentorship. By investing in your professional development, you'll be better equipped to succeed in your new role and position yourself for future opportunities. Part 4. Staying positive and adapting to change. Career transitions can be stressful, but it's important to stay positive and adaptable. Remember that every challenge presents an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace new experiences and remain open to feedback. By staying positive and flexible, you'll be able to navigate any career transition successfully. Thank you for watching our video on navigating career transitions. We hope you found these strategies helpful and that they will enable you to achieve success in your career. Remember to stay focused on your goals, build strong relationships, invest in your professional development, and stay positive and adaptable. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. Thanks for watching.